Welcome to our showcase of the DCPM50 cordless blind riveting gun. If you're looking for power, precision, and convenience in one tool, you've come to the right place. The DCPM50 Type EK/Z is designed to handle all your riveting needs with ease, whether you're working with aluminum, steel, or other materials. With its powerful 12V max battery, 10,000 and pulling force, and lightweight design, this tool ensures effortless and efficient riveting every time. Stay tuned as we take a closer look at its features, performance, and included accessories to see why the DCPM50 is a must-have for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Introducing the DCPM50 Type EK/Z cordless rivet gun, a powerful and efficient tool designed for all your riveting needs. This high-performance rivet gun operates on a 12V Max 2.0 lithium-ion battery, ensuring long-lasting power and reliability. It comes with two 2.0 battery packs, allowing for extended use without frequent recharging. With a 20mm stroke length, the DCPM50 provides precise and efficient riveting. It supports rivet sizes ranging from 2.4 mm to 5.0 mm for all-purpose applications and 2.4 mm to 6.0 mm for aluminum blind rivets, making it a versatile choice for various materials. The maximum pulling force of 10,000 N ensures strong and secure fastening. Despite its power, this tool is lightweight and easy to handle, weighing only 1.6 kilograms with the battery and 1.4 kilograms without the battery. Its ergonomic design enhances user comfort and reduces fatigue during prolonged use. The DCPM50 comes with a complete set of accessories, including a battery charger, 2 battery packs, 5 nose pieces, 2 mandrel parts, a magnetic ring, and a wrench. Everything is neatly packed in a durable plastic case for easy storage and transport. Whether you're working with metal, aluminum, or other materials, the DCPM50 is built to deliver precision, strength, and convenience. Experience effortless riveting with this powerful cordless rivet gun. Upgrade your toolkit today with the DCPM50 Type EK/Z cordless rivet gun, your reliable partner for professional and DIY projects. If you are seeing this video for the first time, kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you get to be notified whenever new videos drop. For more information, reach us at gz-supplies.com or email us at sales@gz-supplies.com.